Welcome to this tutorial on how to short sell on Etoro. Short selling is a strategy used by investors to profit from a potential decline in the value of a financial instrument such as stocks, commodities, or currencies. To begin, you need to have an account on Etoro, a popular online trading platform that allows users to buy and sell various assets. First, log into your Etoro account and navigate to the Markets section where you can search for the instrument you want to short sell. For example, if you think the price of Apple stocks is going to drop, you can search for Apple and click on the result to open the trading screen. Next, click on the Sell button to initiate a short sale. You will be prompted to enter the amount you want to invest in the short position. Keep in mind that short selling involves borrowing the instrument from a broker and selling it at the current market price, with the expectation of buying it back later at a lower price to return to the broker and pocket the difference as profit. It is essential to set a stop-loss order to limit your potential losses if the price of the instrument moves against your prediction. A stop-loss order automatically closes your position when the price reaches a certain level, preventing further losses. You can also set a take-profit order to close your position when the price reaches a certain level, locking in your profits. Before you start short selling, it is crucial to understand the fees and risks involved. Etoro charges overnight fees for short positions, and you may also be subject to margin calls if the price of the instrument moves against your prediction. Additionally, short selling involves a high level of risk, as there is no limit to the potential losses if the price of the instrument continues to rise. To minimize your risks, it is recommended to conduct thorough research and analysis before entering a short position. Stay up to date with market news and trends, and consider using technical and fundamental analysis to inform your trading decisions. It is also essential to diversify your portfolio and not to over-leverage your account, as this can increase your exposure to potential losses. In conclusion, short selling on Etoro can be a profitable strategy if done correctly. By following these steps and best practices, you can effectively use short selling to hedge your portfolio and profit from potential declines in the market. Remember to always prioritize risk management and to stay informed about market conditions to make the most out of your trading experience on Etoro.